What's going on, guys? So it's Ben here, back with another video, and this time I'm gonna talk about Tron because I know that many of you have requested this coin. And so first off, I want to show you a couple of days ago I recommended a trade on this coin. Hold on, let me pull up my Twitter account. Yeah, so if you go to my Twitter, you can see that I posted this. So I think I said something about putting in buy orders at yeah, from 511 down to 478 satoshis, and set a tight stop loss. So yeah, it was around April 14th. So if you would have made this trade, then yeah, so that would have been around this area, which is 500 satoshis. So if you would have made a trade there, then you would have gained around 19%. And I think this is just like the beginning of a bigger set of impulse waves. So what I see here is that we've finished a first Elliott wave, and now we're completing a second Elliott wave. And first I'm gonna count the first 5 subwaves. So it would look something like this, I think. And then we have an ABCDE forming. So first of all, I'm gonna draw some trend lines that I see. Something like this. So I see a triangle forming. And could even draw it from here. And then we have the ABCDE. The E wave would probably end somewhere around this area. Now, before I go into the trade, I want to see what the potential is, like the bigger trend. So then I would have to, if we assume that this is a first wave and this is the second wave, we want to figure out what the third wave, where it will end. So I take the Fibonacci extension tool, draw it from the bottom of the first wave till the end of the first wave, till the bottom of the second wave, put it around there. And here you can see that around this area is usually where the third wave ends. So it's either around here or around here. So I would probably aim for this area first and see how it develops. So now we can draw first wave, second wave, third wave around here. I think since the second wave was pretty long, the fourth wave tend to be shorter, and I think we're gonna correct down to a support area around here, so something like this, and then we're gonna head up to the 2.618 area. So now you may ask yourself, okay, so where do I make the trade? And I would make the trade at the bottom of this triangle, because you don't want to buy in here, because there's a risk that we're gonna tank down to the E to complete this pattern. So I would buy in here, and I would set a short stop loss in case we break this trend line, so around 4% where the support is, maybe 5%. Let's do 5%. And then I would target, like safe traders can target this area, like the upper trend line, but since we know that if we break this line, then we're probably gonna head up to at least this area. So I would set a target around this area or a little lower where the previous high was, and that's around here if you're conservative. And you can see that the risk to reward ratio is really good. So we're risking 5%, but we can win 60%. And if you wanna play the even longer trend, then you can target this area, and you can see that we can win 140% and we lose 5%. So the thing is with stop losses is that, let's say the price tanks below the price goes down like this and then below this area, but then goes back up, you would get stopped out, so you would lose, like the order would close and you would lose 5%. But the thing is, you can just buy back in if you see that the price, that it moves back into the triangle. So then you can just make a new order here with a tight stop loss and set the same target. Because sometimes that happens, like the trend line just gets extended. Alright guys, so if you like this video, press like, and please subscribe for more videos like this. Also comment below if you have any other coins or any questions or anything you want to talk about. Yeah, peace out.